Hello, this is Sudip, and on behalf of Uttoroner Disha, I'm here today. And Uttoroner Disha is an organization where we help the students with the financial support and the academic guidance. So, beside the financial support, it is equally important the academic guidance because it has been observed that many students, basically in the rural area, are not aware of the opportunities and of the opportunity of the jobs and the higher studies in their uh, after doing the 12 or completing the BSc. So here I am going to present the opportunities in chemistry in both academics and industries. And this presentation has been prepared Bapi Gori and Sanjay Batra. So first thing is that regarding the academics, so obviously after completing class 10, you have to go to the class 12 board exam where you'll have to have with the science background, which consists like your chemistry, physics, mathematics, biology, and all also statistics or computer science, any four. And after the class 12, to pursue your career or your studies in chemistry, you have to choose you have to undergo the honors in your bachelor's in chemistry, which is a 3 years course, and this is same for in any colleges and universities throughout India. And after completing your BSc, there are several kind of government jobs for which one can take the preparation, such as UPS jobs, ICS jobs, and various like government job and central government job, also state government job, and also a bit of non-government jobs are also there. But if you want to continue your career in higher studies, then there is the course, which is the 2 year course, and it is this master's course is also available in most colleges and universities in India. And in alternative to this BSc and MSc, which is a basically total 5 year course, there is an alternative of BSMS course. These BSMS courses are offered mainly in a few selective institutions in India, which includes like IISc, various IITs, ISERs, NISER, and also there are a few central government universities who offers actually this BSMS course, which is basically equivalent to this BSc and MSc course. And this BSMS course is also a 5 year course where you get after the end of the 5 years you get the both BS and MS degree, like the bachelor's and master's degree. So after the MSc, similarly, there are many people does not want to continue in this higher studies, which is very normal. And there are various kind of jobs like industry related jobs and also PSU, which is basically the central government jobs, and it includes like the oil department, your banking, and also the power industries, etc. under the central government. Apart from that, there is the B.Ed course, and so after the B.Ed course, like this is essential for giving the school service commission examination, which is basically the under state government, and after which you can become a school teacher. This is very fantastic. But if you want to continue your career in higher studies, then there is PhD, which is a basically 5 year course in India. And the PhD is available, like you can do the PhD in India in various institutions, or you can go to abroad. There are various opportunities for the PhD, and which is basically a 5 year course, and it takes to complete like 6 years or so. And there are many people who after doing the MSc in chemistry, who want to change their little bit career in the engineering background. So for that, you have to do a MTech course of 2 years from any kind of your either NITs, various institutions, and after that you can go to your PhD or any kind of you can pursue any kind of jobs or in industries and PSU, etc. And after the PhD, there is again the postdoc, which is basically a further research when you will be become an independent research mind. And apart from the postdoc, there are various R&D sectors like research and development sectors. There are plenty of opportunities in the R&D sectors in India under central governments, and in this R&D, it is equivalent to doing the research there under your central government. And apart from that, you can give the College Service Commission exam throughout your central government or state government, where you can be a professor in any college. Now, if I come to the postdoc portion, so postdoc is available, like you can do postdoc in any prestigious institutions in India, or you can go to abroad and get a very good experience in the research mind. And then after completing the postdoc, which is basically a uh, contractual uh, kind of job, you can say. This is basically depending on the contract, it can be up 2 years or 3 years or so. So after completing the postdoc, you can definitely come to this R&D sector, where you will be doing your own research independently under the government, and otherwise you can be a professor after giving the central college service commission exam, or by giving any thing. So up this is all related to the academics. Now I'm coming to the opportunities in industries. So if we start from the MSc in chemistry, it is known that at the second year of your, since it is a 2 year program, at the second year of this MSc, you have to be you have to do your specialization either in physical chemistry or in inorganic chemistry or material chemistry or in organic or medicinal chemistry. So from the physical chemistry part, there are various opportunities in industries like computational chemistry and spectroscopies. And from this spectroscopy and computational chemistry, like there are many industries, plenty of industries who hires uh, technicians or like scientists uh, from this computational chemistry or spectroscopy chemistry background. Now, if I come to the inorganic chemistry, there are various parts of the inorganic chemistry, or like physical, inorganic, or organic. Each chemistry has a various parts, like we have only mentioned a few here. So under the inorganic chemistry, there is nanomaterials chemistry, surface chemistry, synthetic chemistry. And under the organic chemistry, there are pharmaceutical and also synthetic chemistry. So from this inorganic and organic part, there's various industries who hires students from this background. And this industry includes basically agrochemicals, plastic industry, polymer, perfume, paint industry, and petrochemical companies. And apart from that, there is a R&D R&D sector, which are that I have already said about this R&D, which is research and development industries. And apart from that, there is control assurance and uh, control assurance and quality assurance and quality control companies. So basically these two are a little bit different, which is control assurance is basically making a product. So it involves like making a product, the processes and methods of making a new product. And control quality control is basically which controls the quality of the product, like it if there is any defect in the product also, and it also involves like management, distribution, etc. Now apart from this, there is also many specialized jobs you can carry on after doing your MSc in chemistry, MSc or PhD in chemistry. So first I'm coming from the lab assistant. In lab assistant means like in many government laboratories or any universities where there are MSc and BSc laboratories, they hire lab assistant. So you can apply for this lab assistant job, which is definitely a government job. Uh, Apart from that, there is a geoscientist job, which you have to give GSI examination, and you have to crack the examination, and you can be a geoscientist. There is also forensic laboratories, like various forensic laboratories basically demands the presence of a chemist mind. So forensic laboratories are there. There is also food safety officer who basically controls the quality of the food and everything. And this is a government job. And there is a very good opportunity, which is a junior scientist in various central government institutions like defense institutions precisely, which are DRDO, BARC, etc., and also ISRO, which is our space organization, Indian Space Research Organization. They also hire junior scientists who are from this chemistry background. So this is all. Like, I'll not say this is all. This is a very broad glimpse that you can pursue after doing your studies, if you want to continue your higher studies in chemistry. So that's all. So thank you. And if you have any doubts regarding this and also any queries further, so you definitely come to our website and also contact us. So thank you.